Alright, welcome back to the channel everybody. This is your daily price action update. In today's video we're going to be covering then versus now. We're going to look at for different assets, XAUUSD, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and NASDAQ, and what we're going to be looking at is a specific price action model that we have been learning. And that is the then versus now model where price first has to sweep an area, then it has to CISD and discount, and then we wait for it to retrace into a fair value gap and then we take the trade. So let's go ahead and get started here with XAUUSD. In yesterday's market overview, I marked up XAUUSD on the 1H chart printing a CISD and discount, keeping my focus on longs. Price had just swept sell-side liquidity and was retracing into the 4H bullish FVG. Fast forward to now, price is continuing to respect that structure, the sweep is holding. The bullish CISD remains intact, and we're seeing price push from the 4H bullish FVG toward the 1D bearish FVG in line with the higher timeframe bias. So we identified the sweep yesterday, waited for the CISD to form and discount, and now we're seeing the delivery as price advances toward that 1D bearish FVG. So regardless of the asset, this price action model is working perfectly. Let's move on to EURUSD. Yesterday, EURUSD on the 1H chart had a CISD forming and discount, confirming longs after sweeping sell-side liquidity. Price had retraced into the 4H bullish FVG. Today, price is continuing that move upward, respecting the 4H bullish order block and advancing toward the 4H bearish FVG. The bullish order flow remains consistent with our higher timeframe plan. So once again, we saw the sweep to CISD to retrace, and now we're seeing the delivery as price advances toward the 4H bearish FVG. Let's look at GBPUSD. Yesterday, GBPUSD was showing a bullish CISD and discount after a sell-side liquidity sweep, with price pulling back to the 1D bullish FVG. Today, we're seeing that same bullish intent hold. Price is climbing from the 1D bullish FVG and is now advancing toward the 4H bearish FVG in line with the HTF narrative. When the higher timeframe bias is aligned with intraday confirmation, the follow-through is often clean. So once again, we saw the sweep to CISD to retrace, and now we're seeing the delivery as price advances toward the 4H bearish FVG. And lastly, let's take a look at NASDAQ. Yesterday, NASDAQ on the 1H chart had swept sell-side liquidity and printed a bullish CISD and discount, setting up for longs from the 4H plus 1D bullish FVG. Today, price is holding above the entry zone, respecting the 4H bullish order block, and is working its way toward the 4H bearish FVG. The move remains in sync with higher timeframe expectations. So once again, regardless of the asset, we saw the sweep, the CISD, the retrace, and now we're seeing the delivery as price advances toward the 4H bearish FVG. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We keep on hitting these home runs when it comes to finding these price action models in real time. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We drop one video every single day keeping you up to date with the markets. If you guys want to take your trading to the next level, then go ahead and click the link in the description and get started. I'll see you guys in the next video.